what really makes someone a great fit for this career? Already, I know you're going to add some patience in there, right? Being organized to stay on top of these deadlines. And I'll let you take it away and add your own.
Yeah, so those are the top two I had. And then on top of that, I would say being sociable. So with SP, you are talking all day, and not just to the students, you're talking to teachers, making sure things go right with them, how the kids doing. You're talking to your other related professionals. So you're talking to the OT, the speech therapist, the OT, the physical therapist. Sometimes you're talking to the administration, making sure things are right there. And it's just you just have to be sociable. You have to be not completely likable, but I haven't really met SLP that people don't like often. So you have to have that charismatic personality, especially with the kids, because sometimes what you're doing in therapy, it's not going to have the kids' interest all the time. So you got to make sure you build those relationships. And if you're somebody who doesn't want to engage like that, you want to be to yourself, speech therapy is not for you. And I will also say you have to be really good at writing, or at least like writing, because you are writing every day. You're writing session notes every day. Like I mentioned before, you're doing IEPs most of the time. Sometimes for some schools, they even require you to do lesson plans. Not all SLPs do it, but some of them do. So you're writing a lesson plan every day. It's always constantly writing. So if you don't like the aspect of writing all the time, you can't do this career either. And the biggest thing I would say is also being adaptable, because there's a lot of people who feel they're very organized and they have everything for the therapy session down to a T, and your session will go completely left. And you have to be okay with that and have to adjust to the kid and adjust to yourself. Sometimes your mood may not match what you want it to be, and you have to make sure you are adapting to the kids' needs and your own needs as well.